These are the wood blanks that we're going to be using today. They are not sublimation ready blanks. The one on the left with the white coating on it is actually, I believe, from Hobby Lobby. It came in a pack of 12, I believe. And the one on the right is just raw wood from Amazon, and I'll have a link below for that. And then these embellishments are just from the Dollar Tree. I just got this new Bleds cordless hot glue gun, and I'm going to be using this today. It's very lightweight, rechargeable. So let's see how it works out. So I've got it plugged in here on the left. It had an amazing little stand to put on the bottom. And on the right, you can see that it's fully charged with the green light on. I am in my Creative Fabrica. I have the all access. So I searched up love paper and I found these really cute ones here. So I went with this must be love paper. So I downloaded this right away and I extracted the files. So now I'm going to go into my Canva account. I have a Canva Pro account. So I'm going to go to custom size here. And I want to make something that's going to be big enough for both of these wood tags so I don't have to do this twice. So I'm going to go here 2 inches and I am going to make it 3 inches wide by 4.5 inches high. So I'm going to create a design. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to go to uploads here and I am going to upload one of those papers here. Let's see, right here, the Must Be Love. So let's open this up so that you can see it here, and we'll make them bigger. And I will bring in a couple of these designs. I really like this one. So we'll bring that one in, and maybe this one's got some cute strawberries and stuff on it. But this one I really like too. So let's bring in these two designs. So this will upload our images. So I will put this one on the first one, stretch it all out, get it right in the center here. This is the one that I'll probably put with the heart. And then this is the one that I will probably put with the family because I really like just all the little hearts there. So that's it. That's all I need. So now I'll name this wood art. And then I'm going to hit share here and I'm going to download, and I want a PNG. You can change this to whatever you want. I want transparent background. I don't need that because for these, you're not going to need a transparent background. And I'm going to raise my DPI up as high as I can get it. So now I'm going to download these images and I will wait until they get downloaded. So then I can show you how to unzip them here. You just open it up, hit extract, and that'll put it into my downloads as wood art. So now what I'll do is to print these, I'm going to use Word. So I will open up here and I'm going to go to layouts and I am going to set my margins to 0. And I am going to insert the pictures that the PNGs that we just downloaded. So I'm going to go to my downloads here, right here, and I'm going to find right here, wood art, and I'm going to bring both of these in. So, whoops, I'm going to insert here. And here we go. So now I'm going to wrap and through just so I can move them around on my paper. And I'll do wrap and through again. And I just want to show you here that when you have these highlighted, when you click on it, picture format, go to picture format, and you can see that it came in at the 4.5 inches by 3 inches, and that's exactly what we want. So now I will add more to this, but I'll show you how I print. File and print, and I'm going to be using not this one, that's my regular printer. I'm going to be using my Epson EcoTank 2840. That is the one that I've converted over to Sublimation printing by adding Sublimation ink. And I'm going to go under printer properties, and I'm going to make sure I have premium presentation paper matte selected, color, and I want to make sure that I have high quality, not standard. I want high here. And then I'm going to go under more options, and I'm going to go into emphasize more and emphasize thin lines. That's just a preference of mine. And I'm going to make sure that I have bidirectional or high speed turned off. And I don't need to mirror these because it isn't going to matter, but just because it's sublimation, get used to always mirroring your images. All right, so I'll get these printed and then we'll get them pressed and put together. Here is the sublimation print right out of the printer, and I trimmed it down to size, and boy am I glad I mirrored this image because it has the word kiss on one of them. And so if I would not have mirrored, that would have been backwards. And as you can see on the white wood blank here, I did cut the hanger off because otherwise when you go to press, that knot is going to make it off center and it's not going to press with a firm and even pressure. And here I have centered my blanks onto the design, and I have taped them in place with heat resistant tape. You want to make sure that you are getting these taped down nice and sturdy because we're going to be flipping them over to press. I am using the htvront Auto Heat Press 2 for this project. So I have my press heated up to 385 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to be using 170 pounds of pressure, which is a high pressure, and I'm going to be pressing these wood blanks for 75 seconds. I have protective paper down on my press now, and as you can see, I'm using htvront 125 sublimation paper for these. So I've got one flipped over already. We're going to have the paper side up. So now I'm just going to add protective paper to these on top, and they are ready to press. I am pressing them both at the same time. And here they are after the 75 seconds. I flip them over to cool down. I like to let my wood cool down a little bit before I remove the tape. Actually, I let it cool down quite a bit before removing the tape. These turned out so stinking cute. They're just adorable. Now I've got my glue stick in this cordless hot glue gun. It's very lightweight and easy to use. I was able to direct the glue on this little embellishment really, really well. So it worked out really well. I do recommend this Bleds cordless hot glue gun. And like I said, I'll have a link below for that. So now I'm going to add this embellishment. So now I have both of these embellishments glued into place with the cordless hot glue gun, and I think they just look beautiful. And like I said, these are just wood embellishments that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. And of course, it's always fun to add some wooden beads. These wooden beads I got in a kit from Amazon, and I'll have a link below for these as well. Adding the wood beads to these is just an amazing final touch. I am very happy with these results.
I think these turned out absolutely adorable. You'll have to leave me a comment and let me know what you think.
Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see links below.